Today I will show you how to fix the unable to connect to server error on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we want to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. The next thing we want to do is we want to press the PS button and we want to go this application. So close game and we go to settings. From settings, we're going to go to network, and on the network, we're going to go to view PlayStation network status. We'll ensure that all our services are green. Once this is set and we see all the services are green, we're going to go to settings, turn our internet on and off, and then set up internet connection. Once we're in our Wi-Fi, you can use the LAN cable to make this stronger, but once we're in our Wi-Fi, we want to press the option button, go to advanced settings, and we want to change the DNS to manual. We want to set it to either 1.1.1, or we want to change, if that doesn't work, you're going to have to change that to 0.0.0. Please remember that it is always best to use the LAN cable for the best speed, but once you do all this, your internet should be fixed, and then the error should be gone. You should be able to connect to the server. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like. On to the next one.